The Fossa, which are native to Madagascar, have been placed in the vulnerable category within the IUCN Red List. The Fossa is the largest carnivore and top predator in Madagascar, growing up to 6 feet long from nose to tail tip and weighing up to 26 pounds, resembling an elongated cat in appearance. The tail is almost as long as the slender, muscular body, and the Fossa's coat is short and reddish-brown in colour. The head is fairly small, with a short muzzle and prominent ears. The Fossa walks on the soles of its feet, a method of locomotion known as plantigrade, where the animal walks on the sole of the foot with the heel touching the ground. The Fossa also have retractable claws and cat-like teeth. This form of locomotion and retractable claws allows the Fossa to be highly agile and efficient at tree climbing whilst hunting on the ground and up in the trees. The Fossa feed on lemurs and a wide variety of small mammals, birds and reptiles. In high mountain areas, small mammals such as tenrecs feature heavily in the diet, whilst in forest areas, lemurs can make up to more than 50% of prey items. The Fossa's long tail provides balance while chasing prey through the trees, and pairs may cooperate to catch larger prey. Fossas are active during the day and night, and with the exception of breeding season, they are generally solitary. Both males and females occupy territories, which are scent-marked with anal gland secretions, and vary in size depending on the abundance of prey species. The Fossa's breeding season occurs between September and November. Fossas have an unusual mating system where a receptive female will occupy a tree below which males congregate, fighting and calling to the female. Over the period of the week, the females will mate with a number of different males, and copulation can sometimes last for over 2.5 hours. New females then arrive, replacing the original one, and mate with the gathered males. Between 2 and 4 young are born in a den 3 months after copulation. The young are initially blind and helpless, opening their eyes after 15 days. They remain with their mother until they are 15 to 20 months old. It can take another 2 years to reach full adult weight and sexual maturity, and they can live for up to 20 years. The Fossas are native to Madagascar and are found throughout the island. In the Central Highlands, however, it is only known from The Fossas are native to Madagascar and are found throughout the island. In the Central Highlands, however, the Fossas are only known from certain areas. The Fossas inhabit the majority of the Madagascan forest, up to elevations of around 2,000 metres above sea level. Recent surveys have revealed the Fossa population of Madagascar to be fewer than 2,500 individuals. Habitat loss is one of the main causes of decline, especially logging, and fragmented populations become isolated in remaining forest patches. Only 10 to 15% of the country remains forest. Probably the most important threat to survival, however, comes from local farmers who regard Fossas as a serious predator of their poultry. Fossas are protected in a number of Madagascan reserves. A successful captive breeding program has also been established, and it is hoped that these measures will be sufficient to secure the future of one of Madagascar's most